Away they go. Saint Lipa from the outside. Scout Ranger rushing up street bomb down on the inside. Ray Angel stand by your man Saint Mark and McKissick. Saint Lipa by a length and a half, followed by street bomb. Scout Ranger racing in third by some 2 lengths down on the inside. Ray Angel and McKissick. Rounding the far turn, St. Lipa street bump. Rushing up from the outside. It's now street bump, St. Lipa, Gray Angel rushing up by the Scout Ranger McKissick as they race the final corner. It's still street bump, Gray Angel down on the inside, Scout Ranger in the middle, McKissick on the further outside, and nearing the last 100, street bump, Gray Angel and McKissick on the outside, street bump, McKissick, but still street bump, McKissick, and final score close. Street bump, McKissick, Gray Angel, Scout Ranger, St. Lipa, stand by your man, St. Mark.